Your customers already ask AI what to buy. Every answer cites its sources, just not you. So, why not you? It comes down to two questions. 1. Can AI read you? 2. Does AI cite you? Humans get your page after JavaScript runs. AI crawlers don't run JavaScript. They read the server's HTML exactly as returned. So if your content only exists after JavaScript, the machines get an empty shell. Flawless for humans, invisible to machines. A page is visible to AI only when it clears 3 gates. Discoverable, a sitemap so crawlers can find you. Allowed, a robots file that lets citation crawlers in. Readable, real content in the server's HTML. Clear all 3 and AI can read and cite your pages. Fail anyone and nothing else matters. That's the foundation. It's not the finish line. Visibility gets you in the running. It doesn't get you chosen. Once AI can read you, does it actually surface you? Presence shows up 3 ways. A mention, the assistant names you, but there's no trace. A citation, your page is referenced as a source. A recommendation, use this. Citation is the backbone. It's the one form that's attributed, observable, and improvable. And cited isn't clicked. Citations measure presence. Clicks measure traffic. Track both. Each gate has a straightforward fix. Ship a sitemap so crawlers can find every page. Open your robots file to the citation crawlers. Training bots are a separate decision. And render your HTML on the server. Astro, Next, or any static generator. Meta tags don't fix this. The content has to exist in the server's response. 3 fixes. All build choices. Then write content shaped like the questions people actually ask. Assistants cite the source that already contains the answer. Stated plainly near the top. Be specific. First-hand data, clean structure, clear identity. Generic aggregation gets skipped. Real intent met with real answers. Finally, it's a loop, not a launch. Publish. Watch who's fetching, who's citing, who's arriving, and feed what works back in. You can do all of this by hand. Rampify watches both halves. It crawls your site the way an AI crawler does. No JavaScript, and verdicts your 3 gates. Then its tracker shows who's fetching your pages and who's arriving from AI answers. Then it helps you close the gap. Strategically, it asks what your buyers ask at every stage of the journey and shows where you appear and where you don't. Each gap becomes a content brief, a spec you can hand to your AI to build. Publish, then watch mentions and traffic build over time. Rampify. Get discovered wherever people are looking.